How to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can fix the problem like this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem or errors. So you may face this problem while setting your account in new phone or device. So while you are trying to log in with your phone number on WhatsApp, it might be showing you that this account can't use WhatsApp. You can face this problem. So it means that your account has been banned for several reasons. So this can be happen for a number of reasons, including your activities and violations to the terms of services and using a third-party app to have access on the WhatsApp and sending too many messages or calls or spamming others. So if your phone number has been banned, you won't be able to create a new WhatsApp account with that number. So for the solution, you will have to go on your App Store or Play Store, and from here you'll have to search for the WhatsApp. So it's installed. So from here you'll have to click on uninstall and install the WhatsApp again. So after uninstalling and installing the WhatsApp, this problem might be solved later. So if this solution not work yet, so you have to go for the WhatsApp support. So simply you have to open your browser. Like in my case, I'm opening the Chrome browser. And here you have to type for WhatsApp support. Okay, so you have to click on this whatsapp.com, contact WhatsApp. Okay, so you have to click on this WhatsApp Messenger support. So click on this. So simply select your country and add your phone number which was blocked due to several reasons. And here you have to give the email address. And again, you'll have to confirm the email address, and you'll have to explain that in which device and system you use this account. So you have to check on this. And from here, you'll have to send your message to WhatsApp teams. So like you can explain the problem you are facing in WhatsApp. So you can send a formal message explaining your problems on your account. So after along with 24 hours or 12 hours, so you will get a reconfirmation or notification from the WhatsApp team, and your problem might be solved with WhatsApp team. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.